The visit to Los Angeles has been an extraordinary experience. I think in 3 days we've made contacts, made new friends and all sorts of potential for future collaboration.
We've visited a couple of universities while we've been here. Chapman University out in Orange County. With USC, we made connections with the Entertainment Technology Centre at their film school. Feels like they're two really good universities doing exciting things here. And we can just see so many different ways to collaborate.
And I've always dreamed of having partnerships across the globe, particularly in a place like Cardiff, which has such a kind of a vibrant identity, and Chapman University. And I really see that we can have a lot of collaborative projects going forward.
It's been a great mission that we've come out here to connect Wales with what's going on here in Hollywood.
Bring in these two cultures that inherently are around storytelling just together to create fantastic productions.
Mae hwn wedi bod yn gyfle gwych I rywun fel Esbyrnec I ddeall beth yw'r cyfle I ni I fod yn ganol yr seis mawr yma yn Los Angeles. Ond mae'n gymaint o bethau llwn I weithio a cydweithio gyda nhw.
The innovation happening in Cardiff was just mind-blowing. Everything from augmented reality, virtual production, artificial intelligence. Everything's happening in Cardiff and there's lots of opportunities for us to work with companies that are based in Wales.
But it's about what we can do to gather people together to say, we have something that is really special. We have talent in people, fantastic locations, students, and we're always keen to do more.
Mae wedi bod yn drip anhygoel. Ni wedi wneud cysylltiadau arbennig a cwrdd â bobl sydd eisiau gweithio gyda Cymru. Mae'n diwydiant ni mor bwysig I Gymru a nawr ni'n wneud cysylltiadau sydd yn mynd I fynd â ni i'r bydysawd nesaf.